Turn your phone into your claims champion with our straightforward guide to filing a State Farm insurance claim right from the app. Let's dive into how you can easily report an accident or damage and keep track of your claims journey, all from the palm of your hand. First, open your State Farm app, navigate to the main menu, usually found at the bottom or top of the screen, and tap on the Claims option. Once you're in the Claims section, look for and tap the Start a New Claim button. This is your gateway to initiating the process. The app will then ask you to select the type of claim you need to file. For this tutorial, we'll focus on filing an auto claim, so select Auto. Now, you'll need to provide some crucial details about the incident. This includes the date and time it occurred, and the location. Be as precise as possible here. Next, describe the damage to your vehicle. You'll also have sections to provide information about any other parties involved in the accident, including their insurance details, if you have them. Don't forget to upload supporting documentation. The app allows you to easily attach photos or videos of the damage. This is a critical step to speed up your claim. Before submitting, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Make sure everything is accurate and complete. Once you're confident, hit that Submit Claim button. Congratulations, you've successfully initiated your State Farm insurance claim through the app. After submission, you'll be taken to your claims dashboard, where you can track the progress of your claim in real time. You'll see updates directly within the app. You'll also receive notifications for any important updates, so you're always in the loop without needing to make a phone call. Digital convenience at its finest, making the claims process smoother and faster for you. File your next claim with confidence using the State Farm app.